In the name of Almighty Allah, so today we will discuss lecture number 21. So the first one is adjoining. So its meaning is adjacent. Next one, visited interests. So its meaning is self-interest. Next one, antiquated, very old-fashioned method, or something which is very old, outdated. Next one, levy. So levy is actually an amount of money that must be paid, that is collected by a government or other authorities. Next one, dash. So its meaning is to run or move quickly or suddenly. Next one, speculation. So its meaning is the idea or guess about something, to guess something, to speculate something. Next one, status quo. Status quo, the simple meaning of status quo is the current situation or the current system. Next one, envisage. So to picture someone or something in mind. Next one, credence. So its synonym is confidence, faith. Next one, emanting, emanting, emanting. So its meaning is ooze out, come out, spread out. Next one, curiosity. So its meaning is desire to know something. Next one, tilt. So its synonym is contention, contestation. Next one, anachronistic. So something which is out of normal time range. Next one, bit. So its synonym or its meaning is having faith or confidence in something or someone. Next one, reconciliation. So its synonym or its meaning is balancing, re-establishing of cordial relation. Next one, soap opera. So a specialized program usually dealing with sentimentalized family matters that is broadcasted on radio or TV. So majority of the Pakistani dramas are actually soap opera. Next one, abduction. So its meaning is discard, stepping down, and retirement. Next one, fading. So the its meaning is to disappear something gradually and slowly. Next one, courtesy. So its meaning is good manner, respect, politeness, kindness. Next one, clout. Clout meaning is influence. Next one, discontent. So not pleased or satisfied. Next one, hostile. So hostile meaning is not friendly. Next one, implacably. So its meaning is inflexible, headstrong, inflexible, stubborn. Next one, rumor. So its meaning is report. Next one, vociferous. So expressing feeling or opinion in a very loud and forceful way. Next one, pundits. So its meaning is scholar, teacher. Next one, endeavor. So its meaning is to seriously or continuously try to do something, to avail something, to acquire something. Next one, chatter. So its meaning is to talk ideally, to talk useless. And next one, corporal. So its meaning is physical or bodily, just like corporal punishment. So basically it is physical punishment. So it's all for today. If you people have any queries, so you can ask us freely. Thank you and stick to Dawn Times. Good wishes.